Hi, I'm Molly, and today I got a little live pet, and he was on Try Me. So what you have to do is on his tail, there's a switch. Whenever he's like this, he's on Try Me. Whenever you switch him over, he'll say whatever you say. Hello, Elliot. Elliot.
Can you say it again?
Maybe he's on Try Me now.
What's my name?
Elliot.
Can you say it again?
He does that.
Oh.
And if you put him on you should always put him by his feet. That way he doesn't fall off. He'll dance in front of his mirror. And then he really sticks on there, which is good. He'll go on the swing and he'll flap his wings and he'll swing it himself. And if you notice, I had him on this. This is like so you can hold him yourself. You should put him on the metal thing. And then there's the food. So you can put him right there. And then you should put him on the floor. The yellow part has to be down and his tail has to go over it. And then his head goes over the blue one, and then he'll like he'll say funny things like that. And then your dog will eat him. So that's it. Bye.
Thank you
Thank you for watching.